Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to get this eyebrow cut without shaving your eyebrow, then just keep watching. I'm gonna get a razor and I'm gonna cut my, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna put some concealer over it and see if that works. Is that okay? I'm going to take the booty bender. It didn't work. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe if I intensify the eyebrow around it. That's a little much, don't you think? This is not a hack. It didn't work. Oh, I see what happened. No, I don't. What did I do? Okay, I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to do an eyebrow thing when I can't even do eyebrows. Here's what you could do. You could do glue. You could glue a little bit right here, wait for it to dry, and then put concealer over it, which is what I should have done. Do I have glue? No, I don't have any glue. Hey guys, so I just got done with the cut. I ended up just e.l.f. concealer over it, done. Okay, that's not entirely true. I took the e.l.f. concealer and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and I plopped on the concealer and I just darkened my eyebrow and then bam, done. Super easy, super simple, and so are the fake bangs. So if you want to know how to get fake bangs, watch the fake bangs video. Fake bangs video. And thank you for watching. Bye.